Blowing your lashes all over the place, honey. Oh, you ain't tell me you gotta place it somewhere, girl. Like the part in this wig, I want y'all to stretch. Singing does not put food on the table. Channel, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with another cute wig. So it's from Gossip. This is everything that came in the box. These are cute. I always get these to my daughter. She got a gang of them. Band. Oh, and it's wide. That's good. So let's see what this wig is talking about. I hope you guys are enjoying your week. Are you? Ooh. Okay. This is nice. Nice healthy shine. Let me see what's going on in here. So there are 4 wig clips. And there is an adjustable strap as well. So it's pretty standard as far as wig construction. There is baby hair in the front. It looks like it has been slightly plucked. Slightly. But I'm definitely going to go in here and do some more plucking because it's not plucked to my liking. I like when it's pluck, 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 pluck. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck, you guys, and plop this baby on and see what we can do with it. It's very soft, though. No tangles. That's always a good thing. So I will be back, guys. So basically, this is going to be a very easy install. Y'all, this hair is really soft. It's really, really soft and flowy. So we're going to throw some curls in it and get popping and be on our way, okay? So what I'm gonna do is just pull the we're gonna pull the baby hair down, okay? Get your lace where you want it. We're gonna do this piece by piece, you guys. We're not gonna try to get the whole perimeter down at one time. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna take the Got to Be Free spray and spray like on top, like right above the baby hair, right where that part is. And if you feel uncomfortable doing that, spray it like on a rat tail and then just place it there if you think you're gonna be too messy with that. So just place it right there, hold it down taut, very taut. This is wet, so you're gonna blow it out on cool air. Now that is bam on there, okay? Now you're gonna do that all around the perimeter. I'm gonna do that over each section. Just pull that back to get it out of the way. Make sure that you are placing this where you want it. Make sure of that. Otherwise, you're gonna be mad at me. You're gonna be like, you ain't tell me you gotta place it somewhere, girl. So when you get it like about right here, you want to make sure you get your ear tabs the way you want them to be. So just go ahead and cut along all this extra. You want to cut that out before you get to well, I like to do it before. Just go ahead and get that taken care of before you start laying down. Okay? I'm gonna just go ahead and do this side too. Yeah, this hair is really pretty. Now, you can go ahead and finish this You're literally just gonna do the same exact thing. Put it where you want it to be. You can spray it directly or use the tip of the comb. Now that you guys really know how to do it, I'm just gonna do this side really quickly because I don't want to keep you so long. I mean, I would love for you guys to just hang with me all day, but I know y'all have things to do. I know y'all got things to do. So I'm gonna try to do this quick fast. So if it's jacked up at the end, don't you judge me. I did it for y'all. Oh, and when you do this, guys, you want to make sure that you're using a nozzle so the air is directed right where you want it to be directed. And that you're not blowing your lashes all over the place, honey. Oh, because I have done that a few times. And y'all, this is only my, the method that I like to use. There's so many ways to lay a wig. Y'all do not have to do it this way. But this is a very quick and easy way to do it. And I'm going to put this on real quick. Okay. We're going to make sure that thing right there is down. So now while this is doing what it's doing, I'm going to just have that right there on those edges. I'm just going to throw some curls in this bad boy. Now I'm going to pluck right here. Because initially I didn't know if I was going to have a part or not. But I'm kind of feeling part-ish. So we're just going to pluck a little bit right here along the part. And there's a lot of room for a nice long part, which is lovely. It's lovely. There's nothing worse than a short part. So this part is finna stretch, honey. I encourage y'all to stretch on your careers, stretch on your lifestyle, stretch on your health and strength, honey. I encourage it. Like the part in this wig, I want y'all to stretch. I want y'all to stretch. Things happen when you stretch. What you're supposed to do before you run. Stretch. It prepares you for better. Now, I can preach this thing if I want to. Yeah, parts looking nice. The real deal braiders, they parts be, honey, woo, casket sharp. My parts, not so much. If y'all saw how I usually part, y'all snatch my black card so fast. Looking good, looking good, looking good. And then once we're finished, you know, we're gonna use a little powder, a little dollop of powder and make that part even better. Now, I don't have my razor right now, but I do have my play shears. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim this hair out front. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this into sections. It makes it easier for me. And I'm just kind of zigzagging. Just trim that. Now, had I tinted my lace, this would already be just like melting right into my skin. But I didn't tint the lace because I always tint the lace, and I want to show you what to do if you don't tint the lace prior to doing this. I'm gonna try to get it as close as I can. This is how you're gonna fix it if it's lifting a little bit. You're literally gonna do the exact same thing. Now that the lace is cut, it lays like, It does what it's supposed to do. This is how you correct any flaws. You don't want to spray directly while you're doing this part. See how it just kind of melts the lace down? You're just fine tuning right now. So you don't want to spray a big blast while you're fine tuning. Right on the edges, and it just melts that down. Oh, y'all, honey. It just melts it on down like chocolate. Ooh. Oh yeah. So I'm going to use my Fit Me finishing powder. This is the same thing I use on my face. I don't use a foundation. You're going to get a little bit of your powder and just fine tune this part. My cat is so disrespectful. We're just fine tuning here, you guys. Don't worry. It's really easy. Now you could create baby hair if you want to. You don't have to. It's just up to you. I know some people hate it. Some people love it. Personally, sometimes I like it on there and pull some of the some of those little hairs out just a little bit. Of course, this is completely optional. I'm just gonna pull them down and kind of, especially on this side. There we go. I'm going to make sure that my customizing matches. So it's kind of like going around. So I want to make sure. Okay, look at that part. We're gonna get some volume up top. This hair is really, really soft and silky. Can you guys tell? It's really, really soft and silky. If you haven't noticed, I'm like always humming or singing or something. Singing does not put food on the table. Yeah, I was so shocked at that part. I was like, why would you say that to her? That's her dream. I'm going to throw some curls over here on this side. Yeah, I don't know why I do that face or even where it came from. But like, people ask me now, do the face. I'll be like, what face? It's natural, believe it or not. I just do it. I don't even realize. So now I pay attention to it because so many people are like, girl, when you make that face, I be dying. I be like, what face? My natural face? Is that what you're saying to me? Oh, this is really cute. Just gonna finger comb that out, and we're pretty much done, guys. And that's it. And you can go about your day and slay. If you have any questions, you saw how I did it. If you have any questions, yeah, I'm acting up. But for real, big shout out to Gossip Hair. Yeah. I like.